Here is a beginner-level regional manager quiz that covers regional sales strategy, territory expansion, and regional regulations. Let's go. Question 1. What is the primary objective of a regional sales strategy? A. To create a one-size-fits-all national plan. B. To tailor approaches for specific markets and drive revenue. C. To eliminate the role of local sales managers. And D. To reduce marketing efforts. Answer: to tailor approaches for specific markets and drive revenue. Question 2. Which of the following is a key step in developing a regional sales strategy? A. Ignoring local competition. B. Copying strategies from other regions without changes. C. Analyzing customer demographics and regional buying behavior. And D. Focusing only on reducing prices. Answer: analyzing customer demographics and regional buying behavior. Question 3. What role does a regional manager play in territory expansion? A. Conducting market feasibility studies. B. Avoiding data analysis before entering new regions. C. Depending solely on corporate directives. And D. Ignoring customer needs in new markets. Answer: conducting market feasibility studies. Question 4. What is one major benefit of expanding into a new territory? A. Decreased brand awareness. B. Increased market share and growth opportunities. C. Increased regulation compliance burden only. And D. Reduced employee engagement. Answer: increased market share and growth opportunities. Question 5. Which factors should be considered when selecting a new territory? A. Size of the population alone. B. Corporate opinion only. C. Personal interest of the manager. And D. Competitor presence, customer potential, and infrastructure availability. Answer: competitor presence, customer potential, and infrastructure availability. Question 6. What is the best way to measure sales performance regionally? A. Track KPIs like conversion rate, average deal size, and repeat sales. B. Focus only on revenue from top branches. C. Avoid performance tracking altogether. And D. Count the number of employees in each branch. Answer: track KP is like conversion rate, average deal size, and repeat sales. Question 7. Which sales tactic is most appropriate for regional growth? A. Selling the same way in all locations. B. Customizing offerings based on local preferences. C. Reducing marketing expenses. And D. Avoiding customer feedback. Answer: customizing offerings based on local preferences. Question 8. Why is it important to follow regional regulations during expansion? A. It's optional in new markets. B. Because competitors do the same. C. To ensure legal operations and avoid penalties. And D. Only large businesses need to worry about it. Answer: to ensure legal operations and avoid penalties. Question 9. Which law should a regional manager be most familiar with when expanding operations? A. Taxation rules of other countries. B. Laws of unrelated regions. C. Internal company rules only. And D. Labour, environmental and zoning regulations in that region. Answer: Labour, environmental and zoning regulations in that region. Question 10. What is one way to ensure regional regulatory compliance? A. Conduct audits and keep updated documentation. B. Rely only on head office updates. C. Assume branches will comply without direction. And D. Ignore changes in laws. Answer: Conduct audits and keep updated documentation. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which department should be involved in territory expansion plans? A. Only HR. B. Only marketing. C. Sales, marketing, legal and operations. And D. Just the regional head. Answer: Sales, marketing, legal and operations. Question 12. When planning expansion, which external factor must be considered? A. Employee age. B. Local competition and customer behaviour. C. Size of the head office. And D. IT system upgrades. Answer: Local competition and customer behaviour. Question 13. A key success factor in regional sales growth is A. Avoiding goal setting. B. Changing goals every week. C. Letting teams decide everything on their own. And D. Setting achievable sales targets and coaching teams. Answer: Setting achievable sales targets and coaching teams. Question 14. What is one risk of expanding into a new territory without proper research? A. Financial losses and damage to brand reputation. B. Increased employee motivation. C. Higher chances of promotion. And D. Better product placement. Answer: Financial losses and damage to brand reputation. Question 15. Which tool is helpful in planning territory expansion? A. Attendance tracker. B. Social media likes. C. Product design software. And D. Market analysis and geographic information systems, GIS. Answer: Market analysis and geographic information system. Question 16. What is the first step when entering a new regional market? A. Starting operations without planning. B. Hiring the most affordable staff. C. Conducting a regional market study. And D. Cutting costs. Answer: Conducting a regional market study. Question 17. In terms of sales growth, what role does training play for regional teams? A. Wastes valuable time. B. Equips them with local insights and selling techniques. C. Is unnecessary unless sales are poor. And D. Focuses only on products. Answer: Equips them with local insights and selling techniques. Question 18. How often should regional regulations be reviewed? A. Periodically to stay compliant with updates. B. Only once a year. C. Every 5 years. And D. Only if there's a legal issue. quickly to stay compliant with updates? Question 19. Which of the following supports long-term sales growth in a region? A. Launching one-time campaigns. B. Ignoring competitors. C. Building relationships and customizing sales strategies. And D. Relying only on discounts. Answer: building relationships and customizing sales strategies. Question 20. What is the best approach to ensure compliance during rapid expansion? A. Focus only on marketing. B. Rely on outdated legal documents. C. Delay regulatory checks. And D. Consult legal teams and create a compliance checklist. Answer: consult legal teams and create a compliance checklist. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.